The baby boomer generation isn't getting any younger. Those golden years that once promised leisure, comfort, and freedom are starting to feel like a tightrope walk over an uncertain future. The reality? Rising costs, unexpected bills, and the relentless pressure of inflation are slowly eating away at retirement dreams. What many imagined as a decade of freedom has transformed into a challenge demanding careful financial maneuvering, smart decisions, and a level of adaptability many never expected to need. The next 10 years could test even the most prepared boomers. Here are the 10 biggest financial hurdles they may face, and the strategies to survive and even thrive despite them. 1. Long-term care, the hidden avalanche. Long-term care is a ticking time bomb for retirees. Nursing homes and assisted living facilities, which once seemed manageable, now cost over $100,000 a year, and experts warn those numbers will rise relentlessly. Medicare covers only a sliver, leaving retirees to shoulder costs that can devour decades of savings in just a few years. Without careful planning, a single hospitalization or extended stay can leave someone financially crippled. The key to surviving the storm? Long-term care insurance or hybrid policies that combine life insurance with care coverage. Exploring in-home care options, discussing arrangements with family, and planning early are no longer optional. They're essential. One misstep could turn a dream retirement into a financial nightmare. 2. Healthcare costs, the silent drain. Healthcare expenses keep climbing, gnawing at fixed incomes with a relentless hunger. Even with Medicare, supplemental insurance, prescriptions, and out-of-pocket costs can quickly spiral, forcing retirees to make impossible choices. Those with chronic conditions face frequent treatments, doctor visits, and medication expenses, all of which chip away at the comfort they envisioned. The solution isn't glamorous. It's strategic. Review Medicare plans yearly. Explore generic medications, leverage prescription savings programs, and prioritize preventive care. Regular checkups, a balanced diet, and staying active aren't just about health. They're shields against financial collapse. 3. Travel dreams versus rising costs. For decades, boomers imagined exploring the world after leaving the workforce. Beaches, mountains, historic cities. Retirement was meant for adventure. But airfare, hotels, and car rentals have soared, making many dream trips nearly impossible. Road trips and local excursions replace international adventures, offering memories but not the grandeur retirees long for. Clever planning, however, can rescue these dreams. Travel rewards programs, off-season bookings, vacation rentals, and senior focus group tours make journeys affordable without cutting the joy. With creativity, even the most cautious retiree can still see the world, or at least experience a taste of the adventure they've waited decades to enjoy. 4. Home repairs and upgrades, the hidden drain on savings. Older homes hold memories, but they also hold costs that quietly grow like weeds. Roof replacements, plumbing emergencies, and accessibility upgrades can catch retirees off guard. Without a dedicated home maintenance fund, even small problems can balloon into financial crises. Regular inspections, preventive repairs, and low-interest loans or grants for seniors can make the difference between a stable retirement and constant financial stress. Downsizing may also be the smartest choice, trading a historic home for peace of mind and lower bills. 5. New cars, the rising barrier. The price of a new car has climbed to nearly $50,000, with insurance and maintenance adding to the burden. For retirees relying on fixed incomes, this makes purchasing even a modest vehicle a formidable challenge. The used car market is just as tough, with competition driving prices higher. Retirees can survive without new vehicles through regular maintenance, careful driving, carpooling, rideshare apps, and community transportation programs. Extending the life of current cars isn't just practical, it's essential for financial stability. 6. Groceries. Everyday essentials, extraordinarily expensive. The rising cost of groceries is a slow but relentless storm, pushing even basic staples like eggs, meat, and produce out of reach. Many retirees compromise on nutrition just to keep the lights on. The solution lies in strategy. Shop at discount stores, buy in bulk, use loyalty programs and coupons, plan meals around sales, grow a small garden, or participate in CSA programs. Even minor adjustments can preserve health while reducing costs. making this a battle retirees cannot afford to ignore. 7. Helping grandkids. College costs as a new burden. Boomers take pride in helping the next generation, but soaring tuition and fees make college support daunting. Covering everything may be impossible, but small contributions still create meaningful impact. 529 college savings plans, mentoring, and guidance provide powerful support without draining finances. Even when money is limited, helping with applications or sharing career advice can change a life and offer retirees a sense of purpose beyond dollars. 8. Entertainment and hobbies. Priceless experiences versus soaring costs. Golf, theater, dining out. The joys of leisure are becoming luxuries. Rising food prices and activity fees make hobbies feel like indulgences rather than essentials. Boomers can reclaim joy without breaking the bank by exploring free or low-cost community programs, library events, volunteer opportunities, senior center activities, book clubs, or potlucks. Creative solutions maintain social connection and fulfillment while protecting retirement funds. 9. Luxury purchases. Priorities over possessions. High-end items, designer clothes, jewelry, luxury furniture, are often the first to go when budgets tighten. For many boomers, this shift isn't just financial, it's philosophical. Joy now comes from experiences, memories, and family connections rather than material goods. The lesson is clear. Wealth is measured in freedom, not flash. Choosing meaningful experiences over possessions ensures happiness even as luxuries fade. 10. Living in high-tax areas. The invisible weight, property taxes, state income taxes, and other levies can quietly erode retirement savings. Many boomers may need to downsize, relocate, or carefully budget to maintain financial stability. Exploring senior exemptions or tax breaks offers relief, while moving to lower tax areas can stretch savings dramatically. The takeaway: planning, adaptation, and thriving. The financial challenges facing baby boomers are daunting, but not insurmountable. Thoughtful planning, resourcefulness, and a willingness to adapt can help retirees navigate this evolving landscape. Retirement isn't about sacrificing joy. It's about prioritizing what matters, leveraging resources, and staying proactive. Those who focus on essentials, plan for hidden costs, and embrace creative solutions will thrive. The golden years aren't lost. They're waiting for those who act wisely, adapt strategically, and embrace the reality that happiness comes not from possessions but from freedom, choices, and peace of mind.